Hey everybody, this is Vic LaPlaca coming to you live here from MarineMax Sail and Ski in San Antonio, Texas. Today we're going to take a look at this new piece of inventory. It is one of a kind, top quality looking boat. It is a 2019 GS22. This boat here, you can see we got the Mystic White hull bottom, and then we got some tungsten gray on the top, accent line there with the white Chromax letters. Got the matching Boatmate trailer. Cool feature on the trailer, we did the rear extension wings. That's one of my favorite features to have. If you trailer a boat a lot, it's really nice to be able to just step back here and easily board up onto the platform, getting in and out of the boat. So we got about 3 things on the exterior of this boat that really make it stand out differently than a standard GS22. First thing, color. The boat is a very neutral color combination with the white and the gray. I really like that. It helps, when you go to resell it, if you go to upgrade, and it just looks real elegant and sharp. You got the color matching trailer. I mean, it's just a good combination. Item number 2, we got a tinted windshield. It's kind of a rare thing to see. Makes the boat look real sharp, during the day. Gives you a little bit of extra shade, better visibility on the screen inside the cockpit. Item number 3 is going to be underwater lights. This boat's equipped with some top dollar underwater lights, and that's just a cool feature to have when you're doing some night cruising or anything. It just sets off a good feel on the back of the boat. So making our way into the GS22 here, you'll see how Nautique designed a gradual step down into the cockpit, not stepping on any upholstery. If you need a little bit of extra room for some extra people, go ahead and pop in the filler cushion. That is just an awesome feature there. So this boat is equipped with a ZR4 400 horse engine, and we also have the Wakemaker's supplemental ballast kit, specifically designed for the GS22. This boat really throws out a fantastic weight, whether you got the extra weight or you're just rolling around with the factory subfloor ballast. This boat just, it does it all, from skiing, wakeboarding, to wake surfing. This is the all-around boat for you and your family. With the trifold factory bimini and the tinted windshield, this boat just really gives off a real nice shady look on the inside. Makes it to where you don't feel like that Texas sun is just beating down on you. So one of the cool features that I like about this boat that it is equipped with is, if you take a look in here, you'll see we got the Surf Select switch from Nautique. That is an awesome setting. You go ahead, if you're riding behind the boat, you can go ahead and with the push of a button switch from port to starboard side. So that just makes it to where if you're a little bit more advanced rider, it becomes a little bit more fun. And instead of trying to synchronize with the driver, you have it all controlled right there at the touch of your finger. So in here in the GS22, you'll see that this specific boat has a really nice interior, flows with the outside color combination with the white and the black. We got the Mocha SeaDek in this boat, so they went ahead and did the Mocha box color option on the seating. That is a really nice touch. It just, the whole interior of this boat really flows real nicely. Even up on the front, you'll see one of the features that I really like there is going to be the bow filler cushion. That just makes it to where you got a little bit more room if, the ladies or the kids want to hang out in the front of the boat and just lounge around while all the adults are hanging out back here. So this boat is really going to be tailored for the family that's kind of looking to do a little bit of everything. You're looking to have a sweet, nice riding boat, and you still like to do a little bit of slalom skiing. You still want to get out there and hit some awesome wakeboard waves, and you really want to get acclimated with the wake surfing sport. This boat does all 3 fantastically. It's, an all-in-one package is what this boat is really designed to do. So it's really tailored for a family that's just looking for the all-around deal. So if this is something that interests you, you'd give me a call at 210-301-2507. We can go ahead and get this boat locked in your name with a small deposit, and then we can hit the water for a quick test drive, and this boat's ready to go. So we can have it in your boat slip in a matter of days.